In this era, nothing is better than a stable internet connection. And that's why iPhone actually has an underrated feature which Apple just gave a new name to. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Originally known as Wi-Fi Assist on iOS 26 and before, Apple has moved the feature and rebranded it as Connectivity Assist in iOS 27. The feature helps users switch between cellular and Wi-Fi connections more quickly. This feature surely provides a reliable connection, but it's especially useful for those who worry about how much phone data they actually need. Apart from this feature, iOS 27 also features a Siri assistant backed by Apple Intelligence, photo editing tools backed by Apple's AI, new child safety features arriving sometime in fall 2026. Google Pixel phones already have an adaptive connectivity feature, which is known as Smart Switch on Samsung Galaxy devices, that helps users maintain a connection as they move from cellular to Wi-Fi. And now, iPhones have this feature as well. If you're running iOS 26 or older, you'll find Wi-Fi Assist by opening Settings, selecting cellular or mobile data, and then scrolling down and enabling Wi-Fi Assist. However, within iOS 27, the feature is moved and is now called Connectivity Assist. You can find it in Settings by choosing Wi-Fi and then scroll down and ensure Connectivity Assist is enabled. The new feature may be more consistent, as several users reported receiving a notification about intelligent connectivity when the Connectivity Assist is active. Apple does state that smoother network transitions are available within iOS 27 and iPadOS 27. Considering iOS 27 is still in public beta, this feature may change before the final release. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.